Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make peanut butter cup fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. I was recently given some fudge by a friend of mine. Her name is Rosalia, and she has her own YouTube channel where, among other things, she shows how to make candy. I'll leave a link in the description. The fudge she gave me was a delicious peanut butter fudge with chunks of mini peanut butter cups as a topping. I got permission to share the recipe here, but I did add a little RMC to it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own peanut butter cup fudge, along with suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of mini marshmallows, 2 cups of peanut butter chips, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 7 full-size peanut butter cups, 1 cup of chocolate melting wafers, and 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. You'll also need an 8x8 baking pan, some parchment paper, a medium saucepan, a thermometer, a couple of spatulas, a rack, and a piping bag. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan with parchment. Roughly chop the peanut butter cups, then spread them on a cutting board and place them in the freezer. We're handling the peanut butter cups like this so they won't stick together as we add them to the fudge and so they won't start melting before we get them in place. In a saucepan over medium heat, combine the butter, sugar, evaporated milk, and salt. Stir constantly until the mixture begins to boil. Add a thermometer and continue stirring until the mixture reaches 235 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusted for altitude. Remove the pan from the heat and immediately stir in the vanilla, marshmallows, and peanut butter chips. Stir until everything is melted and smooth. Pour the fudge into the lined pan and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Again, we're trying to keep the peanut butter cup pieces from melting as soon as they hit the fudge. Spread the chopped peanut butter cups evenly over the fudge, then gently press them in using a spatula. Chill until the fudge is fully set. Let the fudge come to room temperature, then cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. Place the pieces of fudge on a wire rack over a piece of parchment. Melt the chocolate wafers, then stir in the coconut oil and pipe it over the pieces, letting it drip down the sides. Pop it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes to fully set. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. Now that's some good fudge right there. It's smooth and creamy, and the peanut butter flavor is right out front. The chunks of peanut butter cup give a burst of chocolate and even more peanut butter flavor, and the drizzle on top adds a little snap and makes them look extra fancy. If you love peanut butter cups and fudge, you really ought to try these. And go check out Rosalia's channel. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy. That was too much. And she has her own YouTube channel where, among with chunks of mini peanut butter cups as a topping.